everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and welcome to the Huntington store. I've missed you guys. It's been a little while, and I wanted to touch base with everybody because we have an exciting new product here at Sweet Pieces that I wanted to tell everybody about. So we've been super busy over here. We have a lot of pretty incredible projects going on. I hope you'll stop by the store soon. We would absolutely love to see you. And this would be a great reason for you guys to stop by. We have some big holidays coming up, right? We got Mother's Day coming up. We have lots of people graduating and all kinds of good things happening, right? Summer's coming, summer's coming. So we found this product and I absolutely love it. It's Nora Fleming, and this is so cool. It's just so unique. So Nora has come up with all of these really awesome servingware pieces, and they're great because they're white and they go with everything, and it doesn't matter, like they're always going to be in style. But they have these cute little ceramic icons here that you can swap out and change. So how cute is this? I should have had some solo cups, but you could put solo cups in this, and then you have your little solo cup icon. Then you could pop this out and you could, I don't know, in the wintertime, have something completely different. Or in the summer, have a little flower. There are little doodads for every single possible occasion, holiday that you could think of. Shamrocks and gifts and anchors for our coastal lovers. I mean, they're just so adorable, absolutely adorable. This is also a great teacher's gift. So you could, you know, do a little platter, and there's all kinds of different servingware pieces. So there's trays, and there's little trays, and there's bowls, and some of them are melamine and some of them are ceramic, which is so fun. And they look the same, which is really great because, you know, you could bring these pieces outside and have matching pieces inside. Super, super, super fun. I personally love the little s'more. How cute is he? Little s'more guy. So they just pop out. So you could just pop this guy out. And then let's, you know, teachers are coming up. Teacher appreciation. You could do a little apple. Stick a little apple in there. So depending on what your season is, what your holiday is, you can have all these cute little serving pieces and always be in style, always be in season. It's such a great gift for Mother's Day. It's a great wedding gift. You know, I can just see getting somebody a platter and then getting them a bunch of different minis that they could pop in and out. I just love it. I think it's amazing. Nora, I think you're a genius. I absolutely love it. So I hope you'll come to Sweet Pieces and check it out. We have an amazing Mother's Day sale coming up. It's my third Mother's Day. I can't believe it. So Madison is making me a surprise at school. She is tight-lipped about it. I have no idea what it is, but I've never been more excited to receive a gift. And it's just, motherhood is, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's something that I never thought I would actually experience. And it's just amazing. So I'm pretty excited for Mother's Day, and I wanted to share the love with all of you. So we have a very exciting Mother's Day sale coming up. I don't know, maybe Nora will be included in the sale. Would you like Nora to be included in the sale? Tell me on this video if you would like Nora to be included on this sale. And stay tuned for more details. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.